Hey, so were you looking at my lead gen secrets and you're wondering how to get more lead sales and signups in your business? Well, you came to the right place. If you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta and I've been marketing online for about 7 years now. I've, came online and I started to buy traffic and I was consistent and I ended up landing myself $87,000 in the hole from doing paid traffic, not knowing what I was doing, using these sources out here that actually costed a lot of money when I put them all together. Right, it didn't seem like a whole lot when I first started, but all these small fees added up. And I didn't really know how to market online. I didn't really know how to actually, how to get leads. So I would depend on sources like My Lead Gen Secret and other sources that promise you leads and everything like that. And when I realized what I was doing, that I really had to learn some marketing skills, and that I couldn't just depend on a source like this, I had to learn some skills, and then I realized once I did that, it changed everything for me. And then I started to learn the traffic game. Then I became a top traffic provider in the solo ad space, right? So basically, I'm a marketer first before I sell any traffic, and I'm a very well known marketer in this space. I've been marketing for a while, so my content's out there in cyberspace. So as far as my lead gen secret, I'm gonna tell you exactly what kind of traffic this is. So basically, this company has a server where they basically go out and they scrape leads from the internet. They use a lead scraper and they scrape leads and they gather a database of contacts, a database of leads, right? And then they upload them to the server, and then they give them to you, right? So the quality of these leads are going to be very, very low quality because they're people that actually they might have an interest in marketing, right? But they're not targeted. They're not people who really know what they're buying, right? So it's like you're hitting somebody, blindsided with an opportunity, right? Now, who knows where these leads actually come from online, but that's what they do. They scrape them from the internet, upload them to a server, then they give them to their members, right? And they charge a small fee for it. So that's why the fee is small, and that's why they could give you so many leads at dirt cheap prices, because they're not actually your leads, and they're not actually your leads until they actually opt into a capture page, right? So they have to actually get onto your email list to become a lead, right? So it's far better to actually know how to generate your own leads and get quality quality prospects that actually go through a funnel. Like with this system, unless you're sending them to a capture page, this really isn't going to work too well. You might make a sale here and there, but it's not going to be nothing that's dramatically going to change your life, right? It's going to be something where you make a sale every now and then, or you might make a couple sales and everything like that, but these people don't know you from scratch, right? So unless you have a big team and you're a big leader who tells people to sign up for this system, then you're not really gonna be able to get the kind of results that you want, right? So that's the thing about the system. You have high leaders that tell you to sign up for this, and they're selling you the process of generating leads, and they're basically playing on the fact that you don't understand how to get your own leads. You don't understand how to market, right? So I highly suggest coming over here and getting some traffic from me, and seeing how that works with your opportunity, because my traffic is high quality, and basically I understand, marketing. So, the sources of traffic that I get my traffic from are Facebook, YouTube, Google, big PPC, banner ads, Warrior Plus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. So when you get traffic from me, you're getting a mix of traffic from those different sources. And, my goal is to actually help you to set up and manage your offers and your funnel so you understand exactly what you're doing when you're doing any kind of, lead generation. It's very important because when I first got started, I didn't understand how to actually, generate leads. I didn't understand how to track my stats. I didn't know what the stats were. I didn't know that it was important to track my stats. And it's very, very important to, track your stats so you can get the highest opt-in rate, you get the highest quality people on your list, and you could actually build a relationship with them. So, the people that I work with, they get as high as an 85% opt-in rate from cold traffic. My goal is to get you at least a 50% opt-in rate. And if it's higher than that, that's even a bonus, right? So I want you to understand how to track your leads, sales, and conversion rates. You're going to know exactly how to do that. And actually, I want you to know how to build your list the right way. So, basically when you order, traffic from me, is what you're going to do is you're going to select your traffic package. Then step 2 is you have the option to do a campaign review where I help you to understand how all this works, so you're not basically buying traffic in the dark. Because when I first got started, I was just buying traffic in the dark. It really didn't help me. Nobody helped me. So I always give people the option to set up a free call because they bought traffic from me, right? And then step 3 is to do your launch, your campaign, which starts in 72 hours or less, 3 days or less, depending on where you fall in at. I want to make sure that you get focused attention on your campaign. So here's some of my reviews. 200 clicks, 7 sales, 200 clicks, 4 sales. And the people that have higher opt-in rates, like this 88.9%, they use my custom funnel setup. And this one is an 85%, opt-in rate. And then, so people that use my setup that I have for my team actually get higher results. And right now, I'm actually doing a sale on my clicks, which is going to run till April 1st. Then it's going to go back to the regular cost. So right now you can get packages on sale and be able to make money, right? So there's a sale going on, so you're going to actually want to take advantage of the sale until April 1st. Here's some of the companies that I work with and have people that are in these opportunities. And here's some of the questions that are asked. So you're going to want to look at this, before you actually buy traffic. And then my promise to you is that you will get 100% real traffic, no fake clicks. And, I want to help you to get the best results possible. So if you ever have any questions with your order, I will help you with that. And if you have any problems, I will compensate you in traffic, because I do not offer refunds because it's paid advertising. So I can't refund your traffic order, but what I can do is I can compensate you in traffic. So any issue that you're having, I will just compensate you in traffic to make sure you get exactly what you ordered, right? So that's what I do to resolve any issues that people have. And if you have any questions, you can leave it in this box right here, and I will get back to you as soon as possible, or I will be able to write you on Facebook. If you find me on Facebook, I will be able to actually help you through instant messenger on Facebook. So, make sure you click on that link, below this video to actually, come to this page and get some traffic. And also, I got a free Facebook group. The link is in the description. You're going to want to be a part of that. That's where I give tips, tricks, and things like that to help people. And you're also going to want to click on the links. There's a you could subscribe to this channel for more videos like this, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, bye for now.